One of the things that I think is so incredibly powerful about photography is that no matter who you are, where you are, what language you speak, I can connect with you. I can communicate across the world. It really is an international language. Photography is such a rewarding career because I'm always growing. Like, I always have to keep trying to make myself get better. I'm never going to master and know it all. And that's actually one of the reasons I like to teach, because I can help people grow and I can help people to learn. But when I share all of my knowledge, then all of a sudden I feel like, oh, I need to push myself. I need to go learn more so that I can get better, but then I have more things to share. So it's this kind of virtuous circle that we lift each other up and we help each other to grow. I know that there are a million different ways that I can be inspired. Like, I'm regularly inspired by movies and museums, but I'm also regularly inspired by the people I meet, whether they're other creative artists or photographers. And so in life, I'm constantly, excited because I never know where that next idea, that next piece of inspiration is going to come from. When I teach, one of the things that is kind of incredible, like really amazing, is when you see people have those aha moments. Like when something that eluded them that they didn't understand before finally clicks. Because I know for me, when I struggle with something and I can't grasp it and then finally I get it, honestly, it changes everything. It can change your life. So when I teach, that's one of the things that it's another level of rewarding for me in my career. Obviously, I love posing and I love lighting, but those elements I think are just tools. Really what excites me, like what makes me tick, is that as a photographer, I consider myself a visual problem solver. And so it's that challenge that excites me. With a portrait, it's how do I flatter somebody in the best lighting and the best posing. And for commercial shoots, it's what is this brand? What are they trying to communicate? Who are they trying to reach? And so it's much more than let me just click the shutter, let me just take a photo. It's let me solve a problem, let me solve it in a compelling way. I would definitely say that my style is a reflection of myself. Like if I look at how I photograph women, I always do so in a way that's not demure or really girly, but instead I photograph women in a way that's elegant and it's very strong. And I think I do so because it's a reflection of how I want to convey myself as a woman, as a person. I used to think that there was, a right way to pose or a right way to light. And as I've been shooting for so long, I realized that there actually is no one right answer. Everything that you do in a shoot, every single element needs to be in support of your style, and it needs to be in support of the concept of the shoot, because all of those things together build up to support your message. Then that's what really creates compelling, high impact, memorable imagery. And I want to be remembered. I want to create images that people can't forget.